Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the game version and alpha console build match because mismatch breaks injection. Once done, close the game and the launcher. Open Task Manager and kill any alpha console. EXE or duplicate processes so no conflicts remain. Next, run alpha console as administrator to grant injection rights and verify you have required runtimes. NET and Visual C++ installed. If you don't, install them, restart, and proceed to the next step. Now you perform the actual injection. Open Alpha Console and explicitly select the game executable. Pick the recommended injection method. If uncertain, choose auto or manual based on your launcher. Disable overlays like Discord and MSI Afterburner that often block injection. Once configured, choose Inject at Launch if you start the game from Alpha Console, or start the game first and use Manual Inject after the main menu appears. Make sure to wait for the game to fully load. Injection 2 early often fails. Finish by verifying that your changes appear. Test a simple skin or HUD tweak first so you confirm core functionality before complex mods. If nothing loads, open Alpha Console logs and enable verbose logging to see errors and DLL injection messages. This tells you whether the tool failed to attach or the mod failed to load. If problems persist, reinstall Alpha Console and try a clean profile, because corrupted configs commonly cause issues. Key tip: if injection repeatedly fails, temporarily disable antivirus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.